first thing you will need to do is download the free interior design layout pack, which you can find on the blog section of the Elegant Themes website or in the description below. So once you've downloaded the layout pack, you'll see that you get a zip file. So the first thing you will need to do is unzip that file. And then once you open the unzip folder, you'll see that you get about 9 files. One of them is the all file, which contains all of the layouts, and then you have a separate file for each one of the layouts as well. Now, if you want to add these to your WordPress website, simply go to Divi library. And you can see that I have already uploaded them, but if you want to do the same, click on import and export, go to the import tab, select your all file and click on import Divi builder layouts. So you will also need to add your pages and your menu, but we have a separate post that handles all of these steps. So let's just take a look at the website in the layout pack. So we have different pages. We have a home page, a landing page, a services page, a portfolio page, a blog page, a shop page, an about page, and a contact page. So let's just scroll through these different layouts so you can see what they look like. They are very stylish. They include high quality images that you can use for all kinds of purposes. This is the landing page. Then we have the services page. The portfolio page. And of course, you can make all kinds of modifications to these layouts. And you don't specifically have to use them for an interior design website, but this just gives you a great way to start off with your next project. We have the about page, and last but not least, the contact page as well. Now let's go back to the landing page so you can make all kinds of modifications to these layouts by using the backend builder or the visual builder. But we're going to enable the visual builder for now because it allows us to see changes happen in real time. You can change all of the colors that are being used by using a color picker, selecting a color, or choosing another color of your choice. You can change the box shadow in the top right corner, for instance, into another color. You can also change the background color of any column within this layout pack to match with your new color palette. And of course, you can make all kinds of content modifications, so you can change the copy of any text module or button module. And if you want to change the layout entirely, just click on the following icon, go to the plus icon, go to the Add from Library tab, and your entire page will be changed in just a matter of seconds. And you can change it back by clicking on the plus icon again and going to the Add from Library tab, selecting your previous layout. And always make sure that you save your page before exiting the visual builder.